Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to upload short video on YouTube. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now what you simply need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube application and click on Shorts, then you should say Short screen opens. Now you can go ahead and record your video or click on Add at the bottom left and then click on Reset. Go ahead and select videos. So go to where your video is, select it, then select the video you want to upload as short. You should see this video like this, click on done, then processing. This might take a moment. Now click on the check mark. If your video is more than 15 seconds, click on the timer at the top right to change from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Then click on check mark, then click on next. Now, after the process, you then need to add your short video detail like description, the tag, and after that, go ahead and click on upload short. And then you are good. This is going to upload to your YouTube channel. So that's exactly how to upload a short video on YouTube. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.